Have you ever wondered if a regular PowerPoint could be turned into a high-quality, professional-looking 3D avatar video? Today, I'll show you the simple ways to turn your slide deck into a video using Rendora. Method 1. Upload your own PowerPoint file. First, from the home page, click Create. Select Start with PPT, then upload your file. Rendora will automatically split your slides into individual clips. Next, click the Studio tab and pick a studio that matches your topic. Then click Avatar to choose a 3D presenter that fits your style. Now, enter your script for each clip. Once everything looks good, click 3D Generate to preview the result. Turns out pretty great, right? If your PowerPoint slides include speaker notes, Rendora will automatically fill those into the script section. It saves you time. Method 2. Use a Rendora PowerPoint template. If you don't have a presentation ready, no problem. From the Generate page, click Add Clip, then choose from Rendora's library of PowerPoint templates. Click to apply the slides. To edit, click the Edit button on any clip. You can click any text box to edit the content in the panel on the right. If you want a completely new template, click Add Clip again, choose Replace All, and select a different one. After editing the slides and entering your script, click 3D Generate to see the final result.
Welcome to EcoChic's company profile presentation. I'm May. Today I'll take you through this fashion brand built around the concept of new luxury.
That's it. With Rendora, creating a video from your PowerPoint is quick and easy.